Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets online in Amazon. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. So here you just have to open a new tab and then you just have to search for amazon.in. That's right. And then you have to log into your account. Okay, and then after that, you just have to choose your language right here. So I'm just going to skip this one and then go to the flight section. So you have that right here. So simply click on it. And then now we have here the flight tickets option. So we have one way and round trip. So I'm just going to select one way for this one. And then you have to search your airport or the country that you are flying from. And then the airport that you are flying to. Okay. And then here is your departure date. Okay, after that, for the travelers, number of travelers section, you just have to go here. We have adults, children, and infants. And for the cabin, we have economy, premium economy, business, and first class. So I'm just going to search for that one. Okay, and then right here, you have the available flights. So we have here the price, the arrival, the duration, and then the departure. So you have to click on the book option. That's right. After that, you just have to proceed to the traveler's details. Okay, so right here you have to add the details of the traveler. So we have here your mobile number, your email, and then after that you have to proceed to the seat selection, and then you just have to pay for this amount. And after that, you can now confirm your booking. Just make sure that the email that you are going to use here is active because that email will be used for them so that they can send you the booking information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.